EosCrash. Crash games have been around for quite a while and they are very popular. EosCrash is a big-hit decentralized multiplayer game with profit sharing in the EOS blockchain and works according to the well-known Crash game principle, which is already established on Bitcoin and Ethereum networks. To place a bet, you define your bet and set the multiplier. Just remember you have 12 seconds to place the bet. The game speed is enormously high and thus ensures the pure thrill. The second important thing for the pure thrill of this game is your decision about when to manually cash out. For example, if you start with 1 EOS and a multiplier of 10, you can wait to see if your predefined bet wins or manually cash it out at any time by clicking the Cash Out button. Another fantastic thing is EosCrash dividends. So if you staked your Crash tokens, you will get permanent dividends. The dividends result from the profits of EosCrash. A high percentage, 60% of all profits, will be shared to token holders and the remainder will go to the team to cover ongoing expenses. Crash tokens. The maximum Crash token supply is only 28 million, which is an enormously small volume. From these, 50% of the Crash tokens were sold on the pre-sale to cover initial expenses, development and marketing. From the remaining 50%, 30% is planned to be distributed via mining, 10% for bounty program and 10% for a bonus pool. In conclusion, EosCrash is a fun and a refreshing variety in the DICE-dominated EOS ecosystem that has a very creative, professional and clean interface, amazing support team. I spend hours there easily. Highly recommended, 5 of 5 stars.